Alright YouTube, hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm with Jeff and we're going to go out and do some farm stuff and a little digging. Stay tuned. Welcome to my life. So from the entrance to the barn, if you walk around to the left, it used to be a barn lot. And they had this old shed here. And I don't know what they used it for, but it looks like at one time they had a wood stove in there. And then back here a little further is the root cellar. We're just going to clean all this junk up and tear this shed down. And hopefully make this little watering hole back here accessible to the cows. Little watering hole. And it looks like it has a little spring box up at the top, so we might dig around and see if there's a natural spring there. Tough creek. You don't want to go out. So we got this pond here. We're trying to figure it out. I think it has a rock wall around it because there's rock all around the edge. And then the bottom is pretty shallow. So we're just digging it out a little bit, trying to clean it up. Not really going to fix it, just play with it a little bit.
I think that was a spring box up there. If you see the stones in the way they're stacked with the possible roof. And these trees have grown up in front of it, and it isn't running like it should, but there's definitely clear water coming out right here.
Very nice.
Under the ground where you took the scoop.
Very nice. There's a dog hanging out here.
Yeah, I got a cow.
You got a cow. Well, there's 2 dogs, right? Because there's 2 beagles that are hanging out. Well, awesome, man. We got a spring. That's good news. You want to pull that right there? Yeah. I'm not going to walk around in here too much because...
There are snakes. I found one out here.
I don't care about snakes. I saw one yesterday too, but I'm worried about poison ivy. And you know me. So this is the building we're going to take down here in a bit. We made a road, so now we can get in and out no problem. That was the whole point.
Look at the stone foundation under there.
Yeah.
Have to save those.
Yeah. It was a neat little shack. I mean, at one time, I can't imagine living there though.
I don't know. I'm curious if they used this, and they had a wood stove in there to smoke the tobacco into the barn.
Oh, I don't know.
I know smoked tobacco was the thing out here.
Yeah. It is a, it could have been, I guess, because you wouldn't want to do it in the barn. It was insulated. I mean, they had a little bit of insulation on it. Not much, but what a mess, huh?
Okay, I thought I'd start you back out here in front of the barn so you could see our progress. Now we wanted to clear all this out so we could get in here and tear the shed down. We want to uncover the front of the root cellar and kind of smooth all this out, get all the weeds off the barn. We took a few trees out so we'd have a little barn lot back here where we can put a picnic table and come and rest. And we got to the point where the next thing to do was tear the shed down, and we started messing around with this little pond, and we started digging out the spring. And as you can see, it's still filling up. So we're going to switch gears and keep digging on this and see if we can get the water flowing back in the little pond and pile the clay up there. And if it all works out, I'll end up putting a rock wall back up around it and rebuild the spring box.
So, in a turn of events, we were going to take out that, but that may be later. Of course, it might be in the same video for you guys, I don't know. But instead, we got working on this pond, and I got this tree in the way. Sorry, you can't hardly see it, and so we got digging in here, and we figured there might be a spring. Jeff saw some running water over there, and then he actually found it. We think it's further back here because we see it's flowing. Look at that flow. I don't know, can you see that? I know this is a wide lens, but it's flowing. So we have a spring here. So we're probably going to dig back this way and see if we can find that. And then we're going to push that off for, I don't know, it might be 20 seconds for you, but it may be another day for us. So, all right, so I'm going to get back on this thing and dig that way. All right, we're getting ready. We're going to take down this barn. help me out and like and subscribe to my channel, Shots Life, on YouTube.